That's gonna get better. Here we go now, folks. We got tomato, onion, jalapeno, ginger, shallots, cilantro, green onions, and potatoes. And we got some other seasons that we're gonna show you here shortly. That's gonna be in the pot. And we're gonna make an Indian potato dish. A little curry, a little Creole. Mix in there as well with all the curries. It's gonna be fire. Stick with me now. Here we go, folks. We to the pot now, to the stove. We're gonna come in with a little bit of vegetable oil there. And then, stick with me here. Boom. We're gonna hit it with some ghee. That's that good ghee, y'all. Whoa, now. Oh, we in the pot. So check this out. I got all my dried herbs in there. I got some coriander, some cumin, some dried mustard seeds, and I have a Jamaican curry. I have a hot Indian curry, and I got some grand masala right there, all in the pot. And matter of fact, guys, here we come with the Creole. A little bit of Creole seasoning is gonna go in there. A little bit of Creole kick in there, y'all. Boom, boom. Yeah. Now we're gonna let these spices come together and release all the good, intense flavors into this pot. And we're gonna let that cook down. We're gonna add the raw vegetables and let those cook down. Let it create a nice, good, intense flavor. And we're building layer by layer, flavor bomb, folks. Stick with me now. Ooh, we back. I don't know if y'all can see it, but if you see that smoke coming off that pot, you can smell. If you could smell the aroma, man, that's in this kitchen right now. Ooh, it'll make you slap something you wasn't supposed to. Watch out now. All right, now, folks, we're gonna add the we're gonna get ready to add these vegetables in here. Add the ginger, tomatoes, and all that good stuff in the pot, and let that work. Ooh, sorry about my camera work, folks, but I'm solo right now. I'm new to this, so I'm learning. I'm solo today cooking. But we're gonna make it do what it do. Trust me, it's gonna get better. Let all that come together. And we got the only thing we're missing, and we're gonna put that in there in a little while, is the garlic. Let that cook down. Let that cook down for a few minutes. And then we're gonna add the tomato to that, and that's gonna create the liquid and the sauce that we're looking for. And let that cook down. Then we'll add the potatoes. We'll put those in there and start letting them do their work. And then we're gonna cover this thing up and let it go for about, it don't need long, for about a good 30, 35 minutes. And we're gonna get back with you. Stick with me now. Tomatoes in. Ooh-wee. The aroma that's in this kitchen right now, y'all, let me tell you. Man, smell through the phone, y'all. Yeah, now it's time for to dump these potatoes in there. We're gonna stir that around a little bit. And then we're just gonna add like not too much water, just like a quarter cup of water in here. And kind of let it do its thing and put them in there. And let them potatoes cook down. Now I'm gonna tell y'all, I ain't added no salt, in here just yet. We're gonna wait till the end. It gets salt to the taste, and we're gonna add lemon up in. We're gonna add some lemon up in here, and we'll let this cook down a little bit, and we're gonna throw that cilantro in there. You know, let all those flavors come in on the back end, those fresh flavors, and we're gonna make it do what it do. Stick with me now. See you in a little while. All right, y'all. Here we go. Well, we're getting close to being finished, but now it's time to add that cilantro. And cilantro. And we also are gonna squeeze that lemon in there now. Just in case we got seeds. Squeeze it upside down, folks. All that lemon juice in there. Balance those flavors. I think we got a lemon with no seeds in it, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. All right. All right, now we're gonna stir that all together. And continue to let this come together. As you can see, folks, it's coming together nicely. Potatoes starting to break a little bit, but we don't want them too soft. That's why this gonna go for another, let's say another 10 minutes or so. And then right at that 10-minute mark, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the guitar. Stay tuned, folks. Nice, good, healthy spoon of ghee in there. Take that flavor right on up. It's coming together, folks. Got some New Yorks here in a little bit. Got that seasoning on it. That's it, y'all. This is what we're about to do. Check it out, check it out. Oh yeah. We got those Indian, Creole, little spicy potatoes ready. In India, as they say, a nice little subject coming together, y'all. That's ready. And we're gonna let that simmer, and we're gonna wait on these steaks to get ready, and we're gonna eat. All right, folks, steaks is right here at Joint Jukin Kitchen. This is what we getting today. We got these New York steaks that's ready to go. Pan seared on this nice cast iron little pan I got here, y'all. We about to eat good in a minute. Stick with me now.
They both look very nice.
Gracias.
Welcome back. I'm just rolling out some rollies to go with our meal today with these Creole style Indian potatoes. Watch yourself now. Oh yeah. Slap that ghee on there.
Yes, sir. We got the roti ready. So now,
joint drinking.
we're about to get these steaks, get these
Let's get it.
potatoes, build a plate.
Guys, I got the plate ready.
And I'll get back with you.
Walk
Stay
on
with me
over
now,
here, check this
folks.
out. We got this Creole Indian subji I got here with this New York steak and onions, and we got some roti. We're about to get ready to chai down. I hope y'all have a blessed day, and you know what? Giddy on up now.